Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to use Notion template for business process documentation in 2025. The simplest way is to start by grabbing process documentation or SOIP template from Notion gallery or community. These come preloaded with section for process name, owner, steps, resource, and review dates give you a ready-made framework. Once the template is in your workspace, customize it for your own business, break down the process into clear step-by-step instructions, add checklists for consistency, and embed supporting documents like PDFs, images, or link the tools in your team uses. You can also use toggle lists as detailed instructions without overwhelming the page. For even better results, link your process documentation with your employee onboarding training or project databases. This ensures every process is tied directly to how much actually work gets done. Finally, share the workspace with your team so everyone has instant access to the latest version of each process, cutting down on confusion and wasted time. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching.